Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open a Binance Future positions. Right now you can see here are some of my positions. Now sometimes I use bot, sometimes I do manual trading guys. This is one of the position here, send. I'm going to close the position. So we make a nice $8 profit, for some of you it's pretty good, right? Now, if you're just getting started guys, you need to finish Binance Future quiz. When you click on the futures here, you would have a quiz and you need to finish that quiz. After you finish that quiz, then you will have this tab. And then the first thing that you want to do is that you want to choose coins. Okay, press on that and then you can see these are all the coins available in the Binance Futures guys. And I usually will just see which coin that have the lowest change, that have the highest change. Market right now is going down most likely, so I probably will see something like, let's see, for example, I want to choose bake here, and then you can see this is the chart down there. Click on it. So here is where you do your own technical analysis. You want to see what's happening with the market. You can see the 1 week chart, 3-day chart, 1-day chart, 12-hour charts. And based on your analysis, what's going to happen, right? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go up, right? So from what I'm seeing here, probably is going to go down somewhere. It really depends guys, depends on Bitcoin. But if you see the 30-minute chart, it could go down to this level down here. So it's kind of, again, Binance Future is a bit risky guys. Okay, so if you want to practice, put little money in there. For example, this one, now you can change the margin mode, whether cross or isolated. I will make a more in-depth video, the difference between the two, but I usually use cross. But if you want to set a cut loss or something, if you don't want to risk your entire wallet, you can just choose isolated. So, and next is the leverage. You can play around with the leverage. If you're just a beginner, you can start with 10x. You can go to up to 20x if you just open a new account in your Binance Futures. By the way, if you don't have a Binance account yet, I'll put a link down below. You can get trading fees discount if you use my link down below. Let's say I want to open. Make sure you press on open here, and then you can use market price. You can also choose limit. I mostly choose market. So you can put the amount. Here is the big amount, but usually I choose USDT. Let's say I want to put $50, and my actual cost is only $2 guys, because remember we are using 20x leverage. So I can just open short or open long. Based from my analysis, the market could probably go down even more, so I can press on open short. So you can see down there, this is called your position. And you can see the size, which is $50 that we just put just now, $50. And then the margin, $2.49, the money that we use. So where is the remaining? The remaining is actually we borrow money from Binance guys. That's why we have 50. This is why it's called leverage trading. And then you can see the entry price is the price when we enter the market. This is your entry price. And then you will see your mark price. Mark price is current price, the price right now. If your position is short position, you want to see your mark price below the entry price. If you open a long position, you want to see the mark price above the entry price. And then you can see the risk right there, and then the liquid price. Now liquid price is very important guys. If you hit that number, liquid price, if that mark price hit that liquid price, you're gonna lose your money, everything. Okay, and you can also adjust your leverage here. You can readjust it. You can set a stop loss. Okay, let's say you go to position TP/SL. You can set your take profit here. Probably you want to set it to, let's say, okay, now this is short position, right? Maybe I want to take the profit when the price go to 2.900, and Binance kind of give you the estimation there. Okay, this is how much I earn if the market goes to that level, okay, to that price. You can also set a stop loss. Let's say if the price go to 0.3, I want to set a stop loss. Okay, so that's how you set it. Let me just quickly do it for you. I will put 0. Let's say 2.8 probably would be nice. We can make $2, and then let's say if the market go against you, you only lose 0.94. But most of the time I don't use these, guys. I hate using, you know, take profit and stop loss. So that's done. So you can leave your trading, you can leave it be, and when the market actually hit your target there that you set, and it will take profit. Or if you want to manually close the position, you can click the close position button right there. This will ask you whether you want to close the position manually or not, or you can just wait for the price to hit your take profit and stop loss target. Just now one you saw, right, I didn't have any stop loss or, you know, take profit. The one that I just showed you just now, we make $8, which is not bad. And by the way, you can see the unrealized P&L. That's the amount of money. And then the return on equity. Okay, the equity, which is, I think, is your margin. And if you want to do more research on the chart, you can go to market here, and then you can find the pair, which is just now was big, right? So this is the pair. Here you have more options, guys. You can set a drawing. You can draw this. You can put a trend line. So we can put a trend line right there. There you go. You can put a trend line. So you can play around with this. I don't usually do this on my phone. It's very small. I don't like it. So most of the indicators here are using Bollinger Band. You can see here, this is the Bollinger Band. If you click on it, it will be activated. If you see the volume, you can click on the volume. You can see the MACD. All of this thing, guys, you can go YouTube it. They have more information on how to use this. So I'm gonna go back here. So, you know, I can just leave this trade be, and probably it's gonna hit my stop loss or take profit. And I'm gonna come back to you what's gonna happen later.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so you can see here back we now make 0.5 or 50 cents, 40 cents, and our return on investment is 21%. So I'm gonna close the position right here. I'm gonna close the position. So this is quite nice. I just show you the example how you can open and close your Binance Future trade. And if you want to see the history, okay, the trade record, click on that, and I'm gonna go to trade history, guys. You can see there that our base USDT we have 40 cents realized P&L, which is profit and loss, but we actually make profit. It's not negative. So that's how you can see it. And if you are interested, guys, in how you can make money with Binance Futures, you can watch this video right here. I show you how you can withdraw money from Binance Futures, and I show you how you can make money with bot trading Binance Futures and make money.